In this short video, we'll learn about parts. Sometimes we can spend a lot of time setting up the tool paths on a component. So wouldn't it be great if we could save the part with all of its tool path information already configured for next time? Fortunately, ToolShop has the ability to manage pre-configured parts. Let's give it a go. Some parts can be complex. For instance, it could have drilling, thread tapping, pocketing, rebates, and chamfers. For this demo, we'll keep it simple. In this case, I have a simple flange shape. I'm going to set up the tooling to cut it out of 10mm thick aluminum with a 6mm router bit. Fortunately, I have the correct settings saved in a template from earlier. Now that the part is ready to cut, I want to save it as a ToolShop part file. To prepare it, first we need to select it. Then we go to the Transform toolbar and click on the Create Parts from Selection button. The part will appear in the Part Edit window. This allows you to make any last-minute changes. When you're happy with it, you can click OK, and ToolShop will ask you to save it as a file. Once you have saved the part as a TS part file, you will see that it now has a label on the part denoting its name. This easily identifies a saved part within a nest. Let's start a new job and choose a different material just to demonstrate how things work. Next, we'll open the TS part file. You could easily open hundreds of different TS part files in one job, but let's keep it simple for now. In this case, let's bring in 3 of the flange part we created just before. Notice that the part has selected the correct material, even though it's not the current one in the job. If we use the ADP functions, ToolShop will automatically assign the correct material for the parts. Here we have the 3 parts opened into the job. The material has automatically changed to the one matching the parts. If parts were assigned to multiple materials, then ToolShop would place them on their individual material types in the job. As you can see, the copies of the part all have a label and all of the associated tool paths from when it was created. We don't need to do any more steps now. Simply send it to the CNC machine for cutting. But suppose we need to change a dimension in an existing part. All we do is select one of the parts, then click Edit Part on the Transform menu. A single part will open in the Edit Part window, and we can use all the normal editing tools to alter it. For now, I'm going to add an extra hole to the part. When we're happy with the changes, we simply click OK. Now we have a choice. If we want to permanently make the changes to the saved TS part file, then we leave it set to save and click OK. Let's try it. Notice that all copies of the part have been updated with the change. We hope this has been helpful to you. See you again soon.